Test. All right. Got something today. Let's check it out. I'm laughing because the UPS kid dropped it off, and I was joking with it. I was like, hey, I wasn't expecting this till Friday, and today's Tuesday. And he looks at the box, he goes, oh yeah, it's Tuesday. And I said, can you take it back and bring it back Friday? Yeah, he kind of looked at me kind of weird, but anyways, yeah. Oh, paperwork, receipt. Got a receipt. All right. I'll put that over here. Over there. Am I recording? Little red dots on. I think it's recording. Dang it. I was going to put that little red light around the screen. Oh, it says recording. All right. We're recording. Okay. That was easy. All right. Nice blue box. People describe the boxes, but feels kind of light. But check this out. I'm using the little Sony controller for a zoom, since it's a. All right. Okay. Well, anyways, in case you didn't get it, it says Art DC, well, Art 17 to 40 millimeter F1.8 DC. I jumped a line there, but yeah, nice specs and stuff. In case you haven't noticed, or you've seen some of these before, I'm not a specs person. And these are just unboxings, just because I had ordered some things on eBay and ended up getting the wrong things, and so this is more of a CYA. Make sure that I got what I ordered. Make sure I received what I ordered. But literature and. I'm also a figure it out as you go kind of person. Read the instructions afterwards when you can't figure it out. But yeah, check your boxes, because I found a USB cable, a nice one too, in one of the VB99 batteries. Okay, what is this? Oh, look at this. Too far over. Why don't we check it out? It was this little cover, lens cover, was in this little paper. Whoa! Check it out. Check it out. Nothing else. Put this in here. Make sure there's nothing else. All right, I think there's nothing else. It's a nice blue color box. Served its purpose. All right, let's check this out. Wow. Check this out. It had the, what is it, the 2470 had a nicer box. This just has this little baggie. Well, anyways, here we are. It's the Dang it! I should have done this with my telephone so I could put this on the camera. Okay, maybe I'll swap out. Well, anyways, we'll do this for now. See if it focuses. Yeah. I think it's focusing. Well, anyways, this is the Art 1740. Oh no, is it 1740? Oh, I was looking at this. I saw 16. I was like, what? But that's the F. So it's 1740. 1.8 F1.8 DC. Yeah, it's not as heavy as the 2470, also Sigma. Yeah, I forgot to mention it's Sigma. But what I liked about this in the videos, and test still working, and it's got the internal zoom, so it doesn't go all the way out there. And you got your what else? Is this locked? Click, no click. I think it was locked. Oh yeah, there it goes. It was locked. See if you can hear it. So that's clicking. And this is non-clicking. All right. Your focus, autofocus manual, a little button there for something, and has a lock. Oh, it's got two buttons. I guess you can program these for something. Oh, I thought I was touching the glass down here. I was like, oh, it's covered. All right, let's see what it looks like with this. Yeah, it looks nice. Beefier. All right. So I'll have to put it on the camera and try it out. Okay, this is the what's it called? Okay, Sigma 17 to 40 millimeter f1.8. Okay, I left the tripod where it's at. I was filming with the Viltrox 27 millimeter 1.2, and like I said, I left the tripod, and you can see what that 10 millimeter difference did between where this was, the 27, and that 17. So I might have to bring the tripod a little closer or zoom, but yeah, I'll just move the tripod a little closer. And it's supposed to have a wider angle, I guess. So, all right, we'll try that. Yeah, well, at least on the little screen it looks a little wider, like a little bit wider of a angle. Let me turn it this way a little bit. All right. Yeah, I'm still a little far away. Moved it up. So move it up a little more. All right. Let's see how that looks. Wow. Yeah. All right, so that is the Sigma 1740 millimeter, and the What was the other one? 2470. Just seemed kind of big and heavy, so I ended up getting that instead. And this one's pretty nice too. This 27 millimeter Viltrox with the 1.2. But we'll see what this one's like. Okay, this is the optical zoom. Is it? Right, I think you go certain distance is the lens zoom, and then the digital. Oh no, this is the lens zoom. My sister, brother-in-law had took the seats out of their vehicle. Well, oh wow, yeah, it works. Little nativity scene back there, and we'll do that. Yeah, it works. And yeah, it's F1.8 versus the 2.8 on the 2470. I can already see it's a lot brighter, and I'm just filming. I just put it on automatic. I'm still messing with the manual and all that stuff, but for automatic, I guess it looks alright. Yeah, that's it. All right, over and out.